Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in the comments, I have a few people asking me what are these holes, two holes here on the Continental tires. I'll let you zoom in and see what I'm talking about. You see here? Okay, so don't freak out at the first time, because if you read here on the side here, look, there's an arrow pointing upwards and it says TW, so that's tread wear. And mainly you're gonna find these on the Continental Ultras. And let me tell you how this works. So if you look over here, this tire doesn't have any tread. You see? So this side here doesn't have any tread apart from these for the quarter ring. So how are we gonna find out how thick and how much tire tread there's left over on my tire? This one in this particular case is fairly new. So if you look over here, what the Germans decided to do, they decided to put two holes right here. Okay, there's one here, there's another one. And see, I'm gonna use my pen. So what I can see now, they're about 2 millimeter deep. And the best indicator would be if you take a pencil and if you cannot stick a pen in there anymore, that means your tires, because it's considerably thin, and it's the time to put new tires in there. And I will have a link in the description, a few of these Continentals that you can pick up off my website, and I get a tiny bit of commission. So there you go. For all of you that you have that you don't know what these are, don't freak out. They are your tire wear indicators, and they are located right over here. And the best way to, like I told you, to figure out how much meat you have there, just put a pencil in there or pen, and there you go. Hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.